guys, welcome back to Ethereal Orb. I am Megan, and I just did a pour. If you can see all this mess, I'll link to it in the description bar in case you want to see what all this mess, in case you find this mess fascinating. You're like, what did she do? But I really liked the colors, but I think I thought after I did it and I set it off to dry, that it might look kind of pretty with swipe with black, Payne's gray actually. So I'm going to give that a shot. I'm going to see how that looks. So, and I added this color also. This was not one of them. So the colors that I have here, this blue-green, what's it called? Emerald, pearl emerald, vanilla. This is just an apple barrel. I have copper, and then I have this darker teal color. But the emerald, the copper, and the vanilla all have a couple drops of the treadmill belt lubricant. I'm not sure what, let's see, what does this have? This has the Biolage, and then I don't think this has anything because I was going to use it for something and then I decided not to, so I don't think I mixed any silicone in that, which is fine for the swipe. So let's go dark to light. Let's do that. Should we swipe this way or this way? Let's swipe this way. Okay, let's do the copper. I love this. This is Sennelier. I always put the L in the wrong place. Sennelier copper. I love copper anyway, but this is a really pretty one. It's quite a bit of Floetrol mixed in with it, so it's a little paler, the copper anyway, than it will be. I think the copper has the most Floetrol. Let's see, let's put just a little bit of this down here so we don't end with just plain old vanilla. Ooh, that's kind of pretty. Okay, I'm going to play a little bit. Ooh, I splattered. I'm going to play a little bit because that's just really pretty, isn't it? I kind of like that just the way it is, but okay. Swipe we must. I'm going to add a little bit of this because this was so pretty in that other pour. So let's add just a little bit up here. I only got 4 ounces of this emerald color. It's so, so pretty. Okay, I've made enough of a mess. I've splattered. Okay, I don't think I've done a swipe or a pour like this since I decided to thin out my paints. Let's do this just a little bit. Gosh, that's really pretty. I might have to do those two colors as like just like a swirly pattern or something in it because that's really pretty. Okay, am I on here well? Okay, time for black. Okay, oop, and I didn't get my swipey swipe thing ready. That was silly of me. Okay, I'm going to use this Master's Touch piece of cardboard here. No, this is not working very well at all because it has a fold in it. Okay, where's my ribbon? Switching to my ribbon. Alright, so let's go to, you know what I'm going to do? I did not plan on it. I'm going to add a little bit more of this green. And then I'm going to swipe the other way because I like the way this is looking. So let's see what happens when we swipe this way. Oop, I'm going to swipe back. I swiped all the paint off. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, I like that. Okay, where's my torch? I have a lot of copper in there. There's my copper. Okay, I am going to add just a little bit. Just gonna drizzle. Oops, that didn't work so well, did it? Drizzle, drizzle. I'm getting a little green in my copper here. Okay, now let's use a straw. I don't want to swipe again. There we go. Okay. Let's tilt a little bit. I think I like the thicker paint with the swipes. They seem to hold a little bit better. I'm going to keep tilting. Like I said, this is the first swipe I've done with my thinner mix, and I think I like swiping with thicker paint better. It seems to, I don't know, it holds it better. The flip cups, I like this thinner mix a lot better, but just not crazy about it in this swipe. So you know what I think I'm going to do? I've been wanting to try it. And this is just a little canvas panel. So I'm going to give it a go. I have this bubble wrap here from ordering canvases online. Oh, let me get a piece. Alright, so I've been wondering what would happen because I really like dips. This is kind of going to be a backwards dip because I'm dipping on top of it. But I kind of want to see what would happen if I put bubble wrap. I'm just going to press lightly and then pull straight up. Oh, where's the edge of my bubble wrap? That's kind of interesting. It looks like flames. Ooh, look at my bubble wrap. Pretty. Okay. If I was going to do fire, that's kind of cool. Whoops, focus. Interesting. Okay, I really do like those colors. I think I liked it better. I used the burgundy on it before. Kind of like that. I'm going to torch just for the heck of it. I doubt we'll get anything at this point. Okay, well there we go. A bubble wrap dip. Nothing super exciting, but there you have it. If you've been wanting to try fire, that actually might be a way to go. We'll swipe, and then some bubble wrap. Or that was just a fluke. But I think that's what it looks like. Okay guys, that was a fun little quickie. We will see you next time. Happy pouring!